Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Member 365 webinar on video library for members to access. My name is Carlo McDangle. I'm your host for this afternoon's webinar. I'm a customer success coach here in Member 365. We may have worked together in your tickets, chat, or probably onboarding your program or currently helping you onboard your program. These webinars are designed to help our clients. That is why I believe in the maxim, your success is our success. We want you to succeed in managing your membership base. When you need help, you can always count on us, reach out to us. And like I said earlier, this webinar is actually designed, and that's the very goal of this webinar, is to help you succeed. Okay. Throughout this webinar, everyone will be muted. However, there is a Q&A button at the bottom of your Zoom screen. If you have any questions, please write them down, your questions, and then at the end of this webinar, we will be entertaining any of your concerns or questions. And everyone in this webinar in attendance will be sent a copy of this webinar, and we will be posting this as well in our YouTube channel on your help desk team, instructional video sections, right before the knowledge-based article section, where you can go back and always review what we have discussed. Okay. So what we will be discussing on this webinar, well, we'll be discussing how to configure your video library, adding a video, and then how would it look like on the member portal? What are the best practices, and the question and answer section. Okay. So let's dive into the CRM. Okay. So what's a video library? Basically, the video library is a module that will allow you to share your videos, okay, with your members, be it members or non-members. Okay. You cannot upload the videos directly, but you can actually share them using a video hosting platform. And we recommend the hosting your videos either in YouTube or in Vimeo, and then we can embed them in the video library. Okay, so the video library is found under modules and then video library at the bottom in here. Okay, if you don't have a video library, we recommend checking with your fellow administrator. You go to contacts, view administrators. They will need to check on your access point. As an example, we go to our financial admin person in here. They will need to go to permissions, okay, and then check on your permissions. Video library, I think it's at the very bottom section. You just need to make sure that this is checked off and then hit the save button. That way you'll have access to the video library under modules and video library. And then on the member portal, if you're not using video library yet, you may not see it as one of the headers on top. But to make it appear in here when you start using it, you will need to go to the CRM on the configuration section. So let's click on return to CRM and click on configuration. This is the main page where you hide and unhide modules or features in the member portal. So if you go to the video library, you'll see that it's enabled. Okay. As an example, member benefits is actually hidden or disabled in my program right now. That means I'm hiding it because I'm not going to use it. If you're not going to use it, better hide it. To hide it, just click on the active button and click disable to hide it from the member portal. There'll be less clutter. It'll be less confusing for your members to actually see a cleaner member portal where all the headers are actually usable for them. Okay. So if you don't see video library, just make sure you go to configuration. Okay. And then enable it. Enabling it, just click on disabled button and click enable. It will make it appear on the member portal. Okay. So let's go to modules and then go to video library. But this time, before we create a video, we'll go to settings. Okay. The configuration. First is creating video tags. This is where you create a tag for your video. Just click video and create a specific tag. Very useful, especially when your members will start searching for videos that has specific tags that define their specific types or genre. Okay, To give you an example of video tags that we created, we'll click modify. This is where it'll list down all the different types of video tags, which you can edit in this section. We created donation, finance, fundraiser, support, and training. That way, later on the member portal, I'll let you know, I'll let you see, sorry, on how you can use these tags in searching for specific videos. And then this is the delete area. If you click delete, then the system will show you the tags that we saw a while ago, but this time with the checkbox where you can check off and delete specific tags. Okay. The next area that we need to set up is video categories. So this is where you add a video, just like in tag. Select like where you can modify them. Okay. And likewise, delete them just like in tags. Very important, again, in organizing videos per their categories. And if you're using the learning management system module, especially if you're creating an assignment where you require your members to watch a video, then the system will reference a video in the video library. You need to embed it first in the video library and then make it appear on the learning management system assignment tab, but it has to have a category for it to appear in there. Okay. If you're curious about the learning management system and if it's something that you think you might use, okay, please contact us through our ticketing system and we will connect you with our account executive, or if you have a means to directly contact the account executive that help you introduce Member 365, then he will be more than happy to assist you in getting the learning management system. So again, if you have the learning management system or planning to get it and use videos to make us an assignment, one of the assignments in the course for your contacts to actually watch, very important to create video categories. Okay. Video library subscription. So this is a description. So this is the description that will appear on top of the video library. You can put messaging in here and as well as images. And I'll show you later on how it works. So that's the configuration. So we go to modules and then video library. And modules, video library, and then manage videos. It will show us all the videos that we created. Okay. Clicking on this checkbox will allow you to check it off and delete them. Okay. And clicking on the, sorry, go back in there, video library, and then manage videos. Clicking on the name will bring up the setup page, which you can edit. Okay. Now for this webinar, let's create one from scratch. You go video library and create video. Okay. What I will be getting is a video from our YouTube channel. So this is our YouTube channel. And this time we'll go to the fundraising video that we have. Okay. So I'll copy this title. Okay. And paste it in here. But before I paste it, very important to not paste it directly from the program or like a document that we've copied it, mainly because accidentally you may be copying some codes or stylings on it. We recommend pasting it first on a notepad. Okay. Put it first on a notepad. Like in this case, I put it on a notepad. Okay. And then copy it from the notepad and then pasting it here. That this will remove any stylings or any codes that you may be accidentally copying. Okay. And I will be getting the description as well in here. Okay. Again, I'll copy it, but this time I'll put it on again on a notepad and then copy it again and put it on the description area. That will remove any stylings and codings that will mess up the program. Okay. And then the date created, we can now put on the date when we created this video. So in this case, I'll put May 21st. Okay. And here is where we paste embed code. Where do we get the embed code? So in YouTube, and it works the same as well in Vimeo, they have this share button in here. So click on the share button. And this is the link, but we don't want the link. We need the embed code. So there will be a section here called embed. Okay, this figure or symbol, and then just copy this code, or basically hit copy. So this, it will be the same in Vimeo. They have the share button, and it will show you their embed code. Once you copy it, go back to Member 365 and click on the embed. Go to the field called embed code and paste it in there. You need to put a thumbnail as well. Okay, create a thumbnail of the video. That will be the font facing image that will be displayed in your member portal. You can create one from Canva. I already did one. Go to my folder and then go to webinar images about fundraising, and there you go. Okay, and then the category will be under training, and I'll be either write a tag or select for available tags, in this case fundraiser, okay, and donation as well, and I'll click apply. Okay, and then do you want this to be shown in the video library? If the video, you don't want it to be public in your video library, if you want it just for the learning management system, you can turn it off. That way it won't be accessible by any of your members in the video library. You're making it just accessible in the webinar, sorry, in the assignment section in your learning management system. Okay, you can turn it off from the video library, but making it available on the assignment section on your learning management system, especially if you would like them to purchase the course, right? And so you don't want it to be available in the video library. But if it's this for general consumption for members and non-members, then you have to turn this on and click on the specific membership category, where you tell the system all contacts in this membership category should be accessed to see this video. And will this be available to non-members as well? You need to enable this. Okay, check it off. Okay, and then click add video button, and that's it. So we just created a video in the video library. Now, how does it look like? Okay, so we go to the member portal, and here is our member portal. We go to videos. Here's the video tab. Scroll down the page. Where's the video library? Oh, sorry, fundraising. Okay, we've created fundraising video. Okay, so here are the tags. Okay, all you have to do is click on the thumbnail, and the system will start bringing it to the fore, which you can play. Good after. There you go. Okay. Scrolling down the page, you'll see the filtering, where you can filter by year of the videos and searching them, or filter them by tags, or filter them by video categories. The filter will work as well on top. So if we go again to the videos tab, there are some filter fields in here, the year, the category, and searching them by tags. Okay. Okay, so that's how it looks like. And here's the description, by the way, the description text that we've added on the video's configuration setup. Okay, so that's a video library. Okay, so what are the best practices? The first one is create categories for your videos. As I mentioned a while ago, having categories or groupings of your video makes it easier for you to organize them. And if you're using our learning management system course, creating an assignment for them to watch a video, for your contacts to watch your videos, you need to have categories to make them searchable in your learning management system. Best practice number 2, tag your videos. It will definitely help your contacts to search for videos by using tags or respective groupings or genre. It's easier for them to search them in your member portal. Okay, do we have any questions? If you have any questions, please write them down on the Q&A button at the bottom of your Zoom screen. Okay, if you don't have any questions, but if you have questions down the line, you can always reach out to us in your help desk section on your dashboard screen. You can submit a ticket. If you have questions regarding the video library or any module that you feel that you need help, and we have our chat channel, which you can access if your subscription have chat and Zoom support. You can always reach out to our chat team. Our chat team is open from 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. Monday to Friday Eastern Standard Time. And if your subscription has a premium support for Zoom calls, then you can book a Zoom call, and then we are more than happy to actually help you regarding your questions on Video Library or any module. Please visit our website, member365.com, on the webinar section below the page, and we can see other future webinars which you can register. And yeah, see you soon on future webinars. Again, we thank you so much for watching this webinar. Have a great day.